Okay, congruence object are exact copies of one another. Congruence objects are the exact copies of one another. Example, these two blades from the same company having same shape and size. The letter pads. When you say figure 1 is congruent to figure 2, you take a trace copy of one of them and place above the other. If the figures covers each other completely, they are congruent. Alternately, you may cut one of them and place it over the other. So, if you place the figure 1 above figure 2, it covers completely, then it's congruent. How do you write congruent? See, this is the way you write. F1 is congruent to F2. This is the congruent symbol. Congruence of line segments. Among the line segments, when two line segments are congruent, their length, if they have the same length. So here AB is congruent to CD because both line segments have the same length. And in this figure, PQ is not congruent to RS because they have the different length. Congruence of angles. If two angles are congruent, if the angles are same. In this figure, the figure 1 angle is 40 degree. The figure 2 angle is also 40 degree. So these two are congruent. But you see 3 here 30 degree and figure 1 is not congruent to figure 3. And figure 4 we again have 40 degrees, so figure 1 is congruent to figure 4. You see figure 4, you may see this is lengthier than figure 1. We have to compare only the angles here. So figure 1 is congruent to figure 4. This length is just a direction, it's not actually length. So here, so they are not congruent, 1 and 3. Now, if two angles have the same measure, they are congruent. Also, if two angles are congruent, the measures are same. Congruence of triangles. Two triangles are congruent if they are the copies of the each other, and when superimposed, they cover each other exactly. So, in this triangle 1 and this triangle 2 are congruent. They are same, but all the sides are same. Triangle ABCPQR have the same size and shape. They are congruent. So when two triangles are congruent, you will write like this: ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. See here. So that when talking about the congruence of triangle, not only the measures of the angles and length sides matter, but also the matching vertices. So in this triangle, vertices A matches vertices B and B matches Q, C matches R. So this is written like this: corresponding vertices A and P, B and Q, C and R, corresponding sides, these sides, corresponding angles. Okay, so when you say correspondent, it is denoted like this: A and P are correspondents, corresponding vertices. So this symbol is correspondence, corresponds to. And triangle ABC and PQ are congruent under circumstance. Here you see ABC corresponds to RQP. They written RQP. You see, not you should not write like a P or Q or QP or something like that. Here A corresponds to R, so it has to be written as RQP. Okay, so the correspondent is written as RQP. A vertex corresponds to R, C corresponds to P, and B corresponds to Q. Okay, this A corresponds to R, B corresponds to Q. So this should be in this order. Two line segments are congruent if they have the same length. Among two congruent angles, one has the measure of 70, the other also 70. When you write A, angle A equal to angle B, that means angle A congruent to angle B. Criteria of congruence of triangles. There are many type of congruence in the triangles. The first one is S congruence. S means side. So S means three sides. Side congruency. If under a given correspondence, the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three corresponding sides of the another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So here we have two triangles A, B, C, and this RPQ. So these corresponding vertices, you see A corresponds to R. A corresponds to R, not A corresponds to P or Q. A corresponds to R, B corresponds to P, and C corresponds to Q. So now these three sides are equal, three vertices matches, so these two angles are congruent. So it is written like this. So triangle ABC is congruent triangle RPQ. You have to write RPQ. ABC, this way for this triangle you write like this, and for this triangle you have to write like this, because this AB side equal to this side, this RP side. Okay, BC side is equal to the BQ side. So you have to be careful while writing this. You should not write like PQ or here. The order of the letters in the names of the order of letters, like this order, R comes first, P comes second, Q comes. So that is important here. When you write A, B, C, R, P, Q, you actually mean A corresponds to R, B corresponds to P, C corresponds to Q. So in this triangle we have a common side, and the other side, two sides also equal. So this is also a congruent. So BD bisects angle to BD. This side BD is common to this triangle as well as this triangle. See here you have to write ABC congruent to PQR. Okay. Now here you see DEF is congruent to NML. You should write NML. Here you see this side DEF here 3.2 centimeter and 3.2 centimeter is here, and 3.5 centimeter is a hypotenuse. Okay, there is 3.5, 3 centimeter is here. So when you write DEF congruent to NML, that is very important here. Okay. This is not a congruent triangle, leave it. So here you should write ABD congruent to ACD. ABD, ACD, these congruents. You should write a symbol. I'm just putting the word, you should write actually the symbol here, congruent symbol. So here they are asking whether this ABC congruent to ABD is meaningful. No, this is not meaningful. This is meaningful. ABC is congruent to BAD, because this BC side only is equal to AD side. BC is equal to AD side. So ABD is not equal, because BC is not equal to BD. So what we are saying is no, this is not meaningfully written, but this is meaningfully written. The second one is side angle side. Two sides and angle in between them matches with the another triangle, two sides and angle in between them. So that is SAS, side angle side congruency. So here you have a two triangle ABC and DEF. they are congruent. Two sides are given. Okay, 7 centimeter one side, 5 centimeter one side, and the angle between them is given. So here also 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and the angle in between. So when you write, you have to write like this: A B C, and the second one is F E D. So this 7 centimeter is here. So you have to, when you write A B C, first 7 centimeter should it come. So the 7 centimeter is here. So you have to write F E D. The first one is SAS compliant, and the second one, we cannot say that triangles are congruent because this angle included here is 60, here is 55. So we cannot say that these are congruent triangles. The second. And the third one, here you see angle B is not included between the angle AC and BC. See this AC and BC, these two sides are given, and an angle should be in between these two sides. So angle C should be given, this side and this side, the angle C should be given. SAS side angle, side should come, but the angle they have given this angle. Here also you see side, this side is given, and in between here this angle should be given, that F, but they are given this angle. So we cannot conclude this is SAS congruency. So here this is a common, AD is common to both the triangles, and sides equal, side angle side, side angle side. So both are equal, so they are congruent, SAS congruency. So here they are asking which angle is included between this. If you draw the triangle diagram, you see you have to give, they have to give angle E. Okay, because side angle side. So here angle P and angle F is required. Find where they are congruent or not. Okay, side angle side. So how you have to write? ACB is congruent to RPQ. Okay. Here you write TFE and PQ are they are congruent. Here also this congruent angle. So here AOC 7.25, AOC this congruent to BOD. So you should write like this. Okay, that is now angle side angle property. Okay. Now in this here a criterion any if under a correspondence two angles and the included side of a triangle are equal to the two corresponding angles and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Okay, so here you see triangle, in this triangle you can apply this angle sum property and vertically opposite angle property to find out the angle A. Angle A is 100, so this should be 80. Okay, angle A is 80. Angle A 80. Similarly, we can also find out this angle because this angle is 30. Here also 30. So this angle we can find out. So now you'll see angle. Then side 3 is given, then angle is given. Similarly, angle side angle. So this matches that A angle side angle criterion. So now ASA is congruent to, as per this ASA rule, this AOC is congruent to BOD. So here you see what is what side. What is the side included between the angle M and P? So if angle side angle property you apply, the side is MN. So need this side DF and MP to decide the congruency. Here you have to write ABC and FED. ABC and FED you have to write. Okay, angle, side angle, angle, side angle, angle, side angle. So here RQP and LNM, ABD and BAC. The right angle triangle congruence. So this is the criterion. If under as correspondent, the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the another triangle, another right angle triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Now here in the first figure, you see this hypotenuse is given 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and one side is given 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So they are congruent. Angle ABC congruent to angle RPQ, triangle RPQ. Now here on the second figure, you see here angle is given, and the side AC also is given, but this hypotenuse having different length. Here 8 centimeter length, here 9 centimeter length. So this is not a right angle congruency. It is not matching the criterion of the RHS. So here this is meaningfully written. ABC is congruent to BAD. ABC, BAD. This is congruent, but this is not meaningful. ABC is not meaningful to ABD because BD here, BC here. These two lengths are not equal. They are not meaningfully written. So statement 1 is not meaningful. Okay. Statement 2, this is not meaningful. So here hypotenuse is same, but the sides are not equal. Here different side length. So this is not congruent, I think. So you should write like this congruence is ACB congruent to B BDA CB PDA. So this is how the congruence is done. This has a common side. Okay. So what is required here? You have to need the hypotenuse AC and RQ. So you can based on these rules, triangle congruence rules, you can try to solve all the things yourself. You can also read the example thing. Okay. See, this is very important. This summary covers everything covered in this chapter. Okay, you can go through this summary.